Our story begins in the year 2020, when Decoding YT first made its appearance on YouTube. With the humble beginnings of a small channel, Decoding YT had a clear vision: to decode the mysteries of the digital world for the everyday user. The early days were marked by a relentless pursuit to produce high-quality content. Each video was meticulously crafted, ensuring that complex topics were presented in a simple, engaging, and easy-to-understand manner. This commitment to quality over quantity set the foundation for Decoding YT's growing popularity. In 2021, Decoding YT started gaining traction. The channel's unique approach to digital literacy resonated with viewers. Their videos offered valuable insights into the world of technology, making it accessible for everyone. This was the year when Decoding YT truly began to carve its niche. As we moved into 2022, Decoding YT had established itself as a reliable source of information. Their viewership expanded exponentially. It was a testament to their dedication to creating a community of digitally literate individuals, and their understanding of the power of YouTube as a platform. So, what have we learned from the success of Decoding YT? Firstly, consistency is key. Decoding YT started with a clear vision and stuck to it, consistently producing high-quality content. Secondly, understand your audience. Decoding YT was successful because they knew what their viewers wanted and delivered it in an accessible and engaging way. Thirdly, make the most of the platform. Decoding YT leveraged the power of YouTube to reach a wide audience, effectively using the platform's features to their advantage. And finally, never underestimate the power of passion. The team behind Decoding YT is passionate about what they do, and it shines through in every video they produce. In conclusion, the success of Decoding YT is a testament to their dedication, understanding of their audience, and effective use of the YouTube platform. It's an inspiring story for anyone looking to make their mark in the digital world. So, keep decoding, keep exploring, and who knows, the next success story could be yours.